Hey, today we're going to show you how to remove background noise in your videos. You need to download a software called Audacity. It's free. Download it off the internet. It's a good one. We're going to load our Sony Vegas here. It's free software and it's excellent, so download it. Now we're going to have to tell Sony Vegas where our Audacity is. Go to Options, Preferences, Audio, right there where it says, tell it where it is. Go browse and click on the .exe file, show where it is. Hit Apply. I already have it, so just click OK then. Now we're going to bring us a video in that we made for this. Okay, it's a short little video. Bring it down here. Here you can hear the background noise here when we start it. Hear the noise? It's not real loud, but it's there. We're going to remove that. Okay, right click on the audio part and tell it to load copy in audio editor. This will open Audacity. There it is. See that stuff right here? That's your noise. Now if you've got audio that you recorded like a voiceover, be sure you don't include that. Go up here and click Effects, Noise Removal. Click that little button right there. That's going to tell it what noise to remove. Now just click anywhere in here. Control A will highlight the whole thing. Go back to Effects, Noise Removal. Right here, 10 to 15 is good. I like 15, so I'm going to use that. Then click here and tell it to remove the noise. Click OK. Look at there, it took all that noise out. File, Export. Just save over that take two. Say yes sir. OK. Now we're through with Audacity. Now if you want to listen to it, you can hear the way it's removed. But I'm going to bring in the original noise right here, one with the noise in it. You can hear that. We'll compare them here. Hear the original noise? Here's the one that we removed the noise in the background. Works real good, doesn't it? Okay, if you like this video, please click a like and leave us a comment. We'll get some more edits up here and show you how to do some more things. Until then, we'll see you next time.